Hi guys, and welcome back to Inside Investing, and today we're going to be giving you a portfolio update for the month April 2021. Because over the last couple of weeks we did see quite a good increase in the overall markets, we think it's very valuable to give you some insight into the performance of our portfolio. Of course, we've only invested 200 euros until now, so the overall profit is going to be limited, but still we think it's very valuable to give you the insight into that performance. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Let's go. Okay guys, so we're back and I've opened our broker account, as you can see here, right? So this is at DEGIRO, the broker that we currently use. And on top of the page, you can see the overall total money that's currently invested in the account, which is a little bit more than 207 euros. The overall portfolio value, so the amount of stocks that we've bought in combination, so added up, let's say, so that's around 160 euros. Then in total, we've got like 46 euros still available, which we should be able to buy a stock with. So these are just some high level numbers of our portfolio currently. Looking at the broker platform itself, we can see some indices, of course. So we see the AEX, we see the Europe 50, the USA 500, etc. We also see some winners and losers on those specific markets. So let's say we go to AMX, we can see the most significant increases and decreases. However, because the markets are currently closed, we're unable to see the current winners and losers of these markets. But just know that that's some info that you can easily find up over there. Also, we see some valuta, we see some futures, and then as well the top news overall on the market, right? So this is just a few nice pieces that you can read into if you've got some spare free time. Also here you can see the latest news of different countries. So you could go to the country that you want to have some more information about, for example England. You can select that and that gives you some more insight into the most relevant news, the latest news per country. And this is then actually in the last 30 minutes or so, multiple items have been posted. So this gets updated very frequently. But guys, let's have a look at our portfolio now. So then we go to this one, which means portfolio, and here we see our current portfolio. It consists of ETFs currently only, right? So we've only bought 2 ETFs. So there's no single stocks yet. Those would be added separately. So these are the only ETFs that we currently own. And we own one VWRL and one Vanguard S&P500 ETF. So both of them are currently at quite a good value. So the Vanguard All World ETF is currently at 96 euros and the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF is currently trading at around 65 euros. So on both of them, we've already made some profit. So we see here the current value and then the average buying price for these stocks. So we've paid around 91 euros for the Vanguard All World ETF and around 62 euros for the S&P 500 ETF. So we can see on both of these, we've made like 7 euros, which is getting close to the 5% mark. So that's a very decent profit on a very short-term basis. Of course, the prices could go down in the upcoming few weeks, and that would then minimize these returns, but the current returns are actually very decent already. There's also an easy way of showing this. So you could go to the stop bar and then you could press the down button, which then shows us the total profit that we made on our portfolio, which is getting close to the 8 euros. So on an investment of 200 euros, 8 euros of profit is still very decent, right? On a very small portfolio, very small investment, we've already made some money to buy some coffee.
Thanks for watching the video. If you want to learn investing, subscribe to get more free investing and finance tips and tricks. We give you easy to follow, straightforward suggestions on how to start investing and improving your portfolio. Like the video if you learned something new today and comment down below the topics for the next video.
So let's have a look at the ETFs themselves. So let's see how they're currently performing. So I pressed on the All World ETF, so the VWRL, and let's then see it the last 3 months. We see a very good price increase, right? So 3 months ago, it was getting traded at around 87 euros. And currently it's around 96, so that's already nearly a 10 euro increase in around 3 months, so that's very significantly already. Then going back to the S&P 500 ETF, the last 3 months, what do we see here? Yeah, it's already getting also close to the 10 euro mark in just 3 months, right? So that's very quickly you see an increase in price. Of course, it could go down in the next couple of weeks. No one knows. Let's see what happens, but at least know that we already made some good profits. As you can see right there, we've made around 3 euros on this ETF. So if you would look at our profits from a euro perspective, it's fairly limited, right? Because our overall portfolio is just only of 200 euros. But if you would look at it from a percentage wise, then I think it's around 5% profit. So that's very good. And that's a very decent profit, of course. So guys, thanks for watching. We hope you'd learned something new today. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and comment down below any topics that you want us to cover in the next video. Of course, we'll keep you updated on how our portfolio is performing over the next couple of months. We're gonna invest a few more 100 euros in the upcoming period, so the overall value of our portfolio is gonna increase in combination with the markets that we hope to also see increase, of course. So we're gonna be increasing the value of our portfolio and we're gonna take you along for the ride, of course. So guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Let's go.